Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today another video on make money online. I find out a 15 website that you can start using today to earn money. Each of the site pay you different amounts. Some of the site you can withdraw that money, but most of the site you can withdraw the money using PayPal. So my guess around you can make between $100 or more per day, or in 1 or 2 days every single time. So you can downloading this app is free to use, so you collect the points or rewards and you can withdraw using PayPal or sometimes gift card, and I will talk about everything in a minute guys. So before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click the like buttons if you really like our videos guys. So in the app, because you can download this app for free and you can use it anytime you want, and there is no sign up cost anything. Just sign up, do the task and get paid for each task. So the first app I'm talking about is called Ibotta. Ibotta is an old app, everyone know about that. You can make money by answering survey questions and also visiting questions about. So for example, if you enable GPS location, when you visit a store, then you can answer certain questions about the store and you can get paid through PayPal and other gift card like Amazon or Apple gift card. So the second website is called Google Opinion Report. I made a video, 1 or 2 video past days, but here it's a simple survey. They pay 10 pence, 20, 25. They ask a couple of questions, like 5-6 questions. If you visit to the nearest store, they ask about the questions of if you like the store, what product, like something like that. When you answer that, you get paid, but you can't withdraw that money. But you can spend the money on Google store by like buying movies, or you can spend it on like buying an app or something like that. Well, that's the only drawback about this app. And the third one is called Swag Bucks. I already made a review. You can go and check it out. Again, you joined and do the surveys. You can do the not only survey, you can do shopping inside. You can get the like a coupon. You can shop online. You can get cashback in a form of points. You can answer the survey. You get points. Watch video, get points. Search, you get points. Play and you get points. These points are called swag pack points or SP points. When you collect enough points, then you can withdraw using PayPal or any other payment methods are available, and it's easy to use. You can use a desktop versions or you can use the mobile versions, but I prefer app is more easier to use than a website guys. So the fourth one is called Moo Cash or moocash.com. You can go, you can type this one in Google or App Store. You can get this. Again you get points by installing apps, like a gaming app or any other app. When you install the app, you get the points, then you can withdraw the points for the cash. You can see this person is the highest here, or 1,633 and 1,300. Some people at this week earned around $12, $9. So this app is work worldwide. You can download and play the games, or use the app and you get paid for that. And the fifth one is called SlideJoy. SlideJoy is an app that allows you to control your screenshot, or what they call lock screen. So they're gonna put like a newest news and everything into your lock screen. Just you can on swipe up or swipe down, whatever you can do. You don't have to use the app. Or when you use, each time they place the news, you get they add up the points, then you can withdraw the points using PayPal or any other payment method you prefer. You can see, you can get the more information from here by visiting the app. Basically, you don't have to do anything with this app. You have to enable the lock screen for them, and they will take care of everything guys. So another app is called Ibotta. Ibotta basically a free app that give you real cash back at every purchase. You earn real cash back every time you shop online or in store, or basically when you can use this app to shop online like Amazon, eBay. But if you bought on store like Walmart or here in Sainsbury, you can upload the screenshot of the receipt and you get paid for the points or purchase. and you can withdraw that money using PayPal or any other gift card, guys. And the other website is called Creamy. Creamy is a service site or offer site. You can earn money by completing surveys and offers, and you can withdraw their PayPal and instant payment in your PayPal account, guys, using Creamy. Or I made a first video is about Creamy. Go and check it out. It's easy to use. You can use the mobile versions, which is app, or you can use the laptop versions or website to earn money. The other website is called Survey in the Go. Is a simple finish the survey and get paid through PayPal, and you can earn up to $10 from this app, guys. And you can go and check it out if you want. You can download this app on Android and Apple Store, guys. And this one is called Fob. Fob is different from survey site. This app allow you to sell your pictures. I made a video on that in the past. You can make money by selling pictures. If you have interest in photography, take a picture of nature, or toys, children playing, whatever, and you can post it on here. They will promote the offer. You don't have to do anything. Also, they promote these pictures on other other sites they are partnered with, and you get 50% commission each time sale. I remember that, not pennies, guys. Sometimes these pictures are selling for $50, so on that you're gonna get $25 as a half commission, guys. So if you have interest in photography, go and check out this app, and easy to use, and just download the picture. You can upload unlimited pictures, and also you need to have the description and title so that user can navigate and pick the picture they want. The other website is called Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is an app that you can earn money by walking. Again, you can't withdraw the money in this app. You can when you receive a 20,000 Sweatcoin points or Sweatcoin, and then you can withdraw that for $1,000 cash. But some people did the maths, and you can go and check it out. But on average, they pay limited amount Sweatcoin every single day. So in average, it's going to take at least 4 years to make $1,000. But you can also use the exiting points for different offers, like buying products or subscriptions. You can exchange the points for that. This is another drawback of the site. You can withdraw the money every single day, but you can exchange the points for the other offers, guys. This app is called a CashBack reward for ShopKeep, or CashBack and reward. Again, earn rewards and get free gift card with the ShopKeep. Use the ShopKeep app to earn rewards and get cashback on the shopping you already do the store on your love. So again, it's similar to the other app we talked about before. You get points by shopping online. Also, you can upload the receipt and you get paid for that, and you can exchange the points for cash or a gift card. Then you can use the gift card to buy online again. Another website is called CashPirate. Again, complete the surveys and you get paid through PayPal, and you can see people are making money from this site. You need to have 25,000 coins in order to get through PayPal. I think it's $10. Again, simple. Complete the cash, complete the surveys, and you get paid for that. There's another app is called App Trailers. Again, you preview the video trailers of apps and celebrity worship or DIY videos, and you get paid for that, guys. Again, you get paid to watch videos and review it, and you don't have to write in a paragraph. Just one sentence is enough, and you can get paid for that, guys. And PayPal money or any other method, but you can get paid every single day doing a review for the apps, guys. And there's other website is called Cakewalk. Cakewalk is basically free to sign up. When you sign up, go to the gig section. It show you the nearest gig available in your area. You can go and finish the gigs, and once your gigs is uploaded, you get paid immediately into your PayPal account. These apps pay you a little bit higher than other apps because you go to the place and finishing the gigs, but different gigs are available. Go and check it out, this app, and find the gig that's more suitable for you in your area, and you can get paid for that. The final app is called Packed. You can earn money for doing exercise, guys. This app gonna pay you money to exercise, to lose weight. You don't have to do anything. You are thinking of losing weight, right? So you download this app. They give them assistance to follow to lose the weight. You follow that and upload the weight, and you have to upload the proof and everything. When you do that, and you can pay for that. You can see over 720 activities done, and this person earned around $9. So you get paid to lose weight. So in your nowadays you have a free times, you can do the exercise at your home, and this is a home app, but you don't have to go to the gym or anything. You can do the exercise and lose weight and get paid for it, guys. Again guys, thanks for watching my videos. If you really like my videos, subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to like my videos. I try to come up with one video per day, how to make money online and other stuff and tutorials. So if you really like my video, subscribe, like and share, and see you in next one, guys. Have a good day.